I see the fireflies. I'm gonna see if I can catch it. Oh, it's right there. Oh, did I get it? Ah, there was one right in front of me. Okay, am I gonna get my book stamped? Alright, I just wanted to get the stamp.
Sure, no, I got you, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go, there you go.
Alright, thank you very much.
Enjoy your day, take care.
Thank you, you too. Bye. We're here. Look where we're at. We're over here at Lake Livingston Park. I love nature. Nature. Can't get enough of taking in all this. This is so beautiful. You hear the birds? All the sounds of nature. Get this table set up so we can have somewhere to eat later. I like to check it for bugs, big giant tarantulas, although I've never found one, but you never know. I don't know what's lurking up under these park benches. No surprises. Whew, that scared me. Ain't nothing but a bug thing, baby. This is one of my extra covers because the cover that actually goes to these benches, it does not fit, so I'm just using what I have because that's what you do. You use what you have and you keep it moving. I realize everything doesn't have to match, although it looks nice when it does. If I get brave enough, maybe I'll take a walk back here in these woods. But, you know, I mean, I'm an outdoorsy kind of gal. I don't know if I'm a woodsy kind of gal. I'm just gonna leave that right there because, you know. So I think we're gonna be getting this fire started soon because I am getting a little hungry. Also, you found a way to use that cardboard box that we need thrown away.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll light.
Oh, that was quick.
I think that's just leaves. Bro.
Oh, you throw some leaves on top. Okay, that's a quick way to get the fire going. So we're gonna heat up this skillet. Cook some potatoes first.
Yeah? Like it's getting hot already.
Just put a little bit of garlic, a little bit of pepper, a little salt, seasoned salt. Some kind of gold potatoes. They cook pretty fast. But they're like my favorite kind of potato to eat. Just so soft, delicious.
We could put some onions in there too, but I was just saying onions should go a little later.
State parks, man, they're unlike anything else, in my opinion. They're so nice. As you can see, they're so peaceful. If you can try a state park, if you can try a Texas state park, if not, That's okay, because we're bringing it to you. But camping life. Doesn't matter if you camp in a tent, doesn't matter if you camp in an RV. It's all camping as long as you get outdoors. That's the main thing.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Might have to have another glass. It's so good. Yeah, we're getting some brown on there a little bit. That smoke is toxic. As soon as it gets in your eyeballs, it burns. Couple more minutes, and what are we looking for? Medium rare or medium?
I like medium rare, but I'm gonna steer the sides too.
Oh, serious? Okay.
Yeah. So.
Sides. Alright, steak time.
Which one is yours?
I'll take the smaller steak. Yeah, I can just. Ooh, that looks so good. Yum. Yes. We're gonna spoon some butter on yours. Some butter and
Seasoning.
some steak au jus. There you go. Raise it up.
That's good.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. All right. So we have the potatoes, the beef tenderloin, and a little side salad. Some little romaine lettuce here. Ooh, let's see the inside of that. That looks like it's perfect.
Perfect for me.
Yeah, perfect for you. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna chow down. Okay, we ended up having to come inside because as soon as we started trying to eat, the flies just started swarming like crazy, so we had to bring it inside. So that's one of the good things about having a a shelter where you can go inside of. So we're gonna enjoy this food. The steak is phenomenal. The potatoes are delicious. The salad is salad, but it's so good. It's good, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Down to where the lookout point is, and they said that this is where you can get a look at all the beautiful sunsets at night. Hear that water? There's fishermen over there, and then this is the store. We'll go check that out in a minute. Ready to take a hike up these stairs?
You want to go first, or you want to follow me? Go ahead.
Yeah. Take my time and breathe on each step, because there's a lot more to go. Whew, I sure hope these stairs are in good condition. Guess we'll find out, huh? I don't know how high I can go. Because you know I start getting nervous when I get up too high. All right, let's do it. Ooh, these are some little tiny steep stairs. Oh my. Nerve-wracking. Are we at the top now? Yes. Okay. Made it to the top.
Come up here during the sunset.
Yeah, that's what she was saying. That is some really nice sunsets.
Probably easier coming down.
Oh, yeah, it's easier coming down. Ooh, man, something about looking down at it. Welcome to Sunset Marina.
Oh,
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
All right. How you doing?
Good. Oh, look, there's a nature center in here. Cool. Yeah, so this is what I like about state parks. Yeah, see. Oh wow, look at this. American alligator. Ooh. Alligator. Ooh, ooh, okay. Matt. This one. Yeah, they're both of their mouths are open. Ooh. They're on alert. Okay, they're watching. Ooh. Oh Lord. Okay.
I think they're thinking about getting fed, probably.
Yeah, well, I don't have any food, so there's that part. Okay, so we have some nests here. And then the skin from, let's see, what do we have? American mink. Okay, so this is a mink. This is a gray fox. Oh, I see the little nose and feet. Okay. We have a fox squirrel. Wow. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like snakes.
It's in that.
Oh, in here. Oh, okay. Oh, I kind of see it. A corn snake. Oh, you stick your hand in there.
For what?
I don't know. I see the holes. You stick your hand in there and find out what what's awaiting. This reminds me of that.
There's actually a turtle in there. Or
Oh,
maybe
there
it's
is?
dead.
Maybe. Yeah, that's the shell.
No.
Yeah, no thank you. I'm good. I'm good. See, that's the great thing about state parks. You get to see all these extra wonderful naturesque things.
See the tree with the ants on it?
Oh, wow, look at that. Little metal ants. It's made out of metal. Or it looks like metal. I'm not sure what it is. See, when you explore what you find, all of the things you can need for camping and fishing. Sweaters.
First time here.
Thank you. Stay wild, Lake Livingston State Park. Oh yeah, see the red birds? I saw one of those over at our campsite. The evening is upon us. The call of the wild. I see campfires going on in between the trees.
Yeah.
I see the fireflies. I'm gonna see if I can catch it. Fireflies. Oh, I see it again. Let's see if I can catch it. I'm stand still. Ah, there was one right in front of me, but I don't know if I caught it. Oh, it's right there. Oh, did I get it? OMG. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm actually catching it. Like I'm following it. Oh, I see it. I hope it's picking up on camera. Oh, sugar now. Yep, right against the trailer. Ah, how cool is that? Good morning. It's really humid outside. I think it's going to be raining pretty soon. So we're probably going to end up packing up early today just to try to get ahead of the storm. We don't really like driving in the rain if we don't have to. We will, but we don't like to if we don't have to. So this morning I woke up. I'm in like a mood for some pancakes. I want some blueberry pancakes. So I have some blueberries here thawing out because I don't have any fresh blueberries, which is fine because the frozen blueberries taste just as good. I'm gonna get this breakfast started because we are hungry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Agave is a game changer as far as syrup. I mean, we've eaten regular syrup, the kind you get in the grocery store, for years and years, and it is so good. It's so sweet. It's you can use just a little bit and it goes a long way. And this, the only ingredient is organic blue agave nectar, and that's it. And it's so good. It is delicious.
Guys,
Hey.
that's gonna do it for us. We're gonna try to beat this storm home before it rolls in here at Livingston State Park. And we'll see you guys on the next trip.
Bye.
Bye.